Well, heavy rains across the tri-state today led to those rising waters and a daring rescue in McHenry, Kentucky. Eyewitness News' Branson Leet has more on how 4 young men saved one man's best friend.
The water, was higher than a lot of the old timers had ever seen it.
After 5 inches of rainfall in McHenry this morning, residents were scrambling to keep their possessions from washing away in the floodwaters. Michael Taylor says he and some others had noticed something unusual caught in the moving water.
We'd seen the dog out here bobbing in the water, for a few minutes, and we was concerned about him, his safety.
A group of young men noticed the struggling animal. With little hesitation, they entered the water to save the canine.
We just dove into it. We just literally he pointed at us where it was at, and no one was getting in there to get it, so we was like, who cares? We went in there and got it. And then only thing we seen was his nose popping out of the water, and he was trying to breathe for air. You could see like him breathing and making snot come out.
It was really scared. It was trying to get out of my arms, but yeah, once it realized I was sick, it didn't want to go nowhere.
The heroics doesn't surprise those who know the boys personally.
Hardest working group of guys I've ever seen for their age, they're always helping out somebody, So it didn't surprise me a bit when they said that they saved a dog.
Once the dog was returned to its owner, he was overcome with emotion and grateful for the kind act he had witnessed.
He came up to us, started crying and stuff, and I really appreciate y'all doing that. That dog means the world to me, and gave us a hug and gave us some Cokes and stuff for appreciation.
The dog is doing well and doesn't show any signs of injury from the event. Branson Leet, Eyewitness News.
Well, hats off to them. Now the boys will be watching the dog while its owner is out of town for a few days.